Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS outline, outline color, outline offset and more. Let's start coding. Let me create a paragraph tag for you guys. I love CSS and save it. Let's assign some style for p tag. P curly brace and background color green and save it, and border 2 pixel solid red color and save it. And now I'm going to also assign some outline CSS. Outline, let's say 3 pixel solid yellow green. You see, that's the outline style, guys. Let's assign outline width. Outline width, let's say pixel and save it. You see, guys, let me remove that 3 pixel from here to see the change. Nothing changed because we assigned 10 pixel. Let me make it 5 pixel. You see it's 5 pixel. You can also assign different outline style. For example, instead of the solid, let's assign dash. You see, guys, or dot, as you see. I also want to show outline offset. Outline offset, let's say 10 pixel and save it. You see, guys, it is putting distance between the content border and itself. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.